This is my full XRP price prediction, where I'm expecting price to go in the next few days, in the next few weeks. Let's jump straight into it and won't waste any more time. I am expecting quite a big jump in price. It's going to be coming out. The reason I say that is we basically have been stuck in a form of a channel right now, basically since early October. We're actually right now coming to the bottom of this channel. We've made a 3-push wedge to the downside. This is around a 70% probability trade to actually look for a strong upwards momentum trade. So what we'll expect here, we have the 20 exponential moving average that might act as a small resistance zone. So it would be a great place to take initial profits. And I do actually initially think that the top of this channel would actually then be a great secondary zone. Now, I was speaking about XRP quite a while back. I am still extremely bullish on XRP. I do expect much higher prices, especially during the next bull run. But back here was something I was continuously posting about, where we had this major support. We broke below this support, and then look at what happened. We actually used it quite consistently as resistance. So this whole volume zone acted as a strong resistance. Now, I didn't really want it to, but when we're trading technical analysis, we have to understand, regardless of if we believe XRP is bullish or bearish, we just need to look at the technicals and analyze to see where we expect price to go. So after this initial push in late to early November, late October to early November, I was expecting more downside momentum, but it seems right now that a lot of the downside momentum has actually finalized. As I said, we do have this 3-push wedge. Once we do go below this prices, we have around a 75% probability trade to look for upside trade. So when we move down to shorter term timeframes, even like the 4-hourly, what we really need to see is a first initial break above this short-term high. Really actually need to make a higher low. Even if we do have a small downturn in this price, make a higher low and then finally push above, because when we're scrolling out on the chart, even on the 4-hourly, we're really just continuously making lower high and lower lows. This price is really struggling to make any form of higher high. As I said, I'm still very bullish on XRP, but the price action right now is just very, very bearish. Even when we move on to longer term timeframes, when we see like this 50 exponential or 50 simple moving average basically acted as support during this entire bull run, even through periods back here. We only had small decline below before we had massive extensions. And right now, this is one of the first closes since basically a year ago. So we haven't had a close below this 50 simple moving average since October, November of 2024. And it's just happened just in these last few weeks. So that is quite bearish price action, especially because we do have this, what we see as a bit of a death cross, where we have the 20 EMA, the 50 simple moving average. And right now it looks like we will get a small little decline or a death cross where they will actually cross over. I'm still expecting this to not be a overall bearish signal. It seems like a lot of our already bearish momentum has happened. And right now I'm actually looking for a short-term trade to the upside. As I said, even back to the EMA, a quick 15%, and then really actually retesting, because even as we see through these prices, quite through here would really be the next zone, similar support to resistance flip, very similar to what we have seen back here. So expecting high prices in the short term, but right now it does seem like we are at the end of our bull run. We might have a short decline on XRP, and then we look to load up for our next bull run and push above that $5 range. If you've enjoyed the video, smash the like and subscribe. Check out links in the video description for WEEX. We actually get $100 potentially for trading for free. Smash the like, and I'll see you in the next video.